Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. It's the next day of the drawing challenge. I'm going to do some quick sketches here of Claire. Claire is a teenage porcupine. She's 14 years old. She's Dominic's neighbor. And yes, she's also the object of his affections. Alright, let's just start here. Do a quick sketch here. Alright. Just going to start with a quick sketch of her head here. She's a porcupine. Let's add in some eyelashes, brow. Alright. Now she wears a hairband or a headband. Essentially her quills, as I said before, they're sort of like hair. And yes, sometimes Dominic gets stuck by her quills. And I guess that's one of the downsides of being close to a porcupine. There we go. She's a typical teenage girl, very friendly, likes laughing at Dominic's jokes here. See if I can do one more sketch of her. Here we'll just have her peering up at the drawing I did of little Dominic. I mean, she really likes laughing at Dominic's jokes and all the funny things he says and does. She pretty much plays the straight man to his wise guy. And yes, she has kissed Dominic before, much to the annoyance of her brother Chester. Yeah, Chester is Claire's older brother. And the main reason she doesn't have a boyfriend. There we go, 2 quick sketches of Claire. That does it for this day's drawing challenge. Join me tomorrow for some more. Until then, subscribe to my channel, and this is Max West saying goodbye.